Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to another Python TK intro video. In today's application, we're going to convert a PDF file to Microsoft Word and vice versa. We did create an app like that before. We created PDF to TXT converter. And I'm going to put a link to that application. You should see it right now at the right corner, top right corner. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate the application. Okay, you can see this is the app we created. It has a title here, and it has two labels, two buttons, and two entry widgets. So if you click on Browse, go and select the PDF file. If I go here and click on Convert, we'll see it gives us a location, and we can name the new file. Just gonna name it converted PDF. And if we go to the console, you can see what is happening. Yes, right now it's converting it page by page. Yeah, it's pretty big, actually large PDF file. I should have chosen a smaller one. Anyway, we get a message box and the path get deleted from here. Well, let's go check it out. Yep, we have it here. And we could go and try the other one, Word to PDF. Select, convert, give it a name, convert it, DOCX. Same thing should happen. Yep, looking good. Done. We'll click on OK. And after we do that, it should close and wipe out the path. So let's go ahead and do that. Where's the mouse? Okay, yep. Let's go check it out from our file explorer. And we can see it here. Okay, great. So the topics we're going to cover today is Python document conversion tutorial, Python PDF tools, Python open files, easy PDF to Word conversion, and easy Word to PDF conversion. So stick with me till the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start with our Python document conversion tutorial. First, we need to import some packages. Obviously, we need Tkinter for our user interface. And also, we want to have message box and file dialog. PDF to docs used for converting PDF files to Word. And also, docs to PDF used to convert docs to PDF files. If you don't have these packages, which you most probably don't, you need to install it. You can just right click on the package name and click on install. Then we want to go ahead and create our window frame. So give it a title, PDF to Word and Word to PDF converter. We're going to use simple TK. We're not going to use any TTK or anything like that for this. I'm just trying to keep it very simple. And then we want to have our PDF to Word section. We need a label for it. So we create it. And we're going to organize it using grid. Gonna give it row 0, column 0, pad x10, pad y10. Now, as you remember, we had an entry, so we're going to create that. I'm gonna say tk.entry. We give it to root window. We're gonna define a width, and we're gonna use a grid. Column 1, pad X and pad Y, same as label. And we want a button, call it browse, to search for the file. And obviously this would need a command, select PDF file. This method will help us to locate our file using the method. And we're gonna give it row, column, pad X, and pad Y. Just give it 10, keep it consistent. And we wanna have our Word to PDF section. So we're gonna have another label here. This time, we're gonna call it, actually, let's just copy paste here. We're gonna call it Word to PDF. Just gonna go and change it. Word to PDF. Grid should be 1 for the row. All our stuff can stay the same. We need to change this name. Oops. What I'm doing. Yeah, I thought copy pasting would be easier, but apparently not. It's best to not copy paste if you try to learn it. But I feel like at this point, I can do that just to save some time. Give it a different method. Row can go 1, column, same. Pad X and pad Y always stay the same. Yeah, we're missing a button. We had 2 buttons. We had browse and convert. Converter, we're gonna call it. And this will have a different command that will do the actual conversion. It'll give us, it'll prompt for a folder to save our file and then do the actual conversion. So pad X and pad Y, still 10, no change there. All right, also I want to give it here. Okay, change the method name. Yeah, I think we're good. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 0, 10, 10. And now let's go and define our methods. The first one would be def select PDF file. I'm just gonna copy paste the name so I wouldn't make a mistake. Pass. Second one would be PDF to Word UI. Actually, let's do this one first. Select Word file. Pass. Then we can do PDF to Word UI. Pass. And we got one more. Word to PDF UI. Pass. Okay, let's go and define the first one. First, we remove this. For Python open file, we need to open a file dialog to select the file and filtering to show only PDF files. And we're going to do that using ask open file name method from file dialog. And we define the file type. And as you can see, PDF files, and we've defined the file type here. Then we're going to say if file open a file dialog to select the file, filtering to show only PDF file, and we want to clear the content of the PDF entry widget. Make sure it's always clear. Then we insert the selected file path into the PDF entry widget. We're going to go down there and practically do the same thing. We're doing Tkinter file browse feature here again. Give it a file type name. The file type would be .docx this time. Just like before, first we want to make sure that the file path exists. If it does, want to clear the entry, whatever it's in it, and then want to insert the file path into it. Okay. All right, easy PDF to Word conversion. That's what we're going to do here. First, we want to retrieve the file path from the PDF entry widget. So we're going to use the get method and want to make sure that the file path exists. If it doesn't, we're going to give an error. So if the file path does not exist, give an error, and please select a PDF file. And then we return it. Okay, now we want to save the output path. So we're going to say Word file, ask save file name. This is where we save the converted file. It prompts a window and asks to input a name for the new file. Okay, I want to give it a type. Yeah. The type would be DOCX. Okay. Then we want to make sure that this path exists. If it does, we're going to create a converter object with the selected PDF file. So we're going to path the PDF file here. Then we want to convert the PDF file to the specified Word file that we had a few lines ago. And then we close it, close the converter object to free up resources. And then we want to show a message box that we have successfully converted the file. And we're going to clear the entry widget after that. Okay, this step will be done here, this method, and we're gonna almost have the same thing happening in the next method, just for Word to PDF. So same thing, I want to retrieve the file path using get method, make sure the file path exists. If it's not, want to show error box or error message box, whatever you want to call it. Then again, after this, we want to open the save file dialog to specify the output PDF file path. Same thing, using the ask save file name method. file dialog dot. Yep. This time we're gonna have to type PDF, not DOCX, because that's what we're converting to, and that's what we're gonna save into. Okay. PDF files. I missed the comma. No, not a comma. Okay. Now we want to make sure that the PDF file exists. Just like before, we made sure that the Word file exists. Then we do the convert. And the message box to show that we have successfully converted the file. Yep, show info. We're going to say success. Word converted to PDF successfully. Then we're going to clear the path, the entry widget. Okay. All right. And that's it. We are done with coding. Let's see. Everything looks good. I think we can go ahead and give it a try and see how it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. All right, we're gonna add the main loop function here to run the app. And we go up here and click on run. Okay, we're missing an entry box. And the reason is copy pasting. Yeah, as you can see. Let's run it now. Yep, works fine. Let's test it out. Browse. I'm gonna choose this one. Converter. Give it a name. Doesn't matter, whatever. Converter. Convert it to whatever. It's converting now. Okay, and the file path got cleared, and we have the file here. Let's test it for Word to PDF. Okay, I'm gonna select the file. Do you want to? I'm gonna say yes. And converter. Let's name it something. Should start converting. Okay. Let's check it out. Yep. Worked fine. Great. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and learned something from it. If you have any comment or any question, please let me know in the comment section. And please go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and again, a comment if you like this video. Thank you so much. Happy coding.